Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we're driving the W123 again. I've cleaned it yesterday and I have replaced the back door of the left side back door. Let me show you. It's a door from a vehicle that was crashed, but yeah, it is what it is. It's a beautiful door, a bit of a color difference here, as you can see, but we can paint that, and then it's going to look amazing. I think better than it was with the bump in it. Someone drove into my car, so that was very bad. But now it's yeah, it's back again. It's nice. And this is my girlfriend, as some of you will know. We just arrived at the beach. We're not going to walk on the beach again, but we're going to drive the double. We're going to drive the W123 again.
Can I start it?
You want to start it? No. Let the people show how you start the car. First you have to pre-glow it.
How long?
Until the lights goes off. And now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. And this is it, guys. It's a lovely diesel sound, as you can hear. Let me show you the exhaust sound. I think you like that. Oh. It's warm. The smell is so good of the diesel always. And like I said, I've just cleaned it yesterday and it looks amazing. Without the back bumper still, because yeah, we have to finish to fix the rust, to repair the rust spots, and then I place it back. But for now it's just fine. Here you have the trunk. It's solid. One of the best cars ever. I'll put my camera on the roof and
turn around every now and then I get a little bit.
Can you see us?
I know the lyrics.
And
can you see us?
Sorry. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day today. It's been a long time until it's finally sunny, but now we're enjoying it a lot, and we appreciate it. We appreciate it very much that the sun is shining.
Normal, I can do a video.
Oh, that's very nice.
But actually, you have to do it at your side once.
Yeah, that would be nice. She has a stick, something to stick her phone onto the mirror, so you can get very nice shots, and that's very nice. Let's drive. There we go. And like I said, it's a beautiful day. I'm very happy. My feeling, it's always better when the sun is shining. There are almost no clouds at the sky also, so yeah, it can't be better, I think. Wow. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do, and we're going to have a nice ride. I think I have to do the how do I call that? The roof window. I have to close it, I think.
Wow.
Can you, yeah, because of the wind noise, I think. That's bad. I don't know if you can hear me, us talking now, but we're going to close it so the wind noise will be a lot less. So yeah, it's almost the sound out.
In the car.
Yeah.
Still put it at the warmest.
But I'm so happy also that I replaced the back door finally, the left side back door.
Now you only need good paint and you need a new bumper.
Yeah, and
No, not a new one. You need to put the bumper.
yeah, to put the bumper on. I was trying to get the bumper on, but then my father said, "Oh, that's it's his car." So he said,
We'll do
"Oh,
that later."
do that later.
Because
It's not needed now."
because you need to do the rest.
If it's on me, I was already finished the rust spots and that kind of things, but it's not my car, so I can. He wants to do it himself, and I understand. That's totally understandable. It's his car, yeah. Then you want to do it yourself. Make sure everything is perfect. I never welded on cars before, so yeah, I understand it. I want to try it. I want to learn it. I'm very I want to learn things very well. Oh, there are much boats sailing right now with the beautiful weather. I can't wait until it's vacation, guys. Summer vacation. I already have vacation almost. This is my job. It's enjoying the sun and I do some editing for companies, for clients. And for the rest, I hope I can make a living from this, from making these videos for you, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to support me, you can buy this shirt, or you can buy the hoodie.
It's a little bit too hot for that.
Yeah, I've designed it myself. It's not a yellow merc.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah. It's beautiful, I think, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do, as we do.
And then the front, it has here a little
classic drive.
text with hoodie, and it's very warm.
I'm very happy with it, guys. A hoodie for the winter and
for summer nights.
T-shirts
for the
summer.
beach. Wow.
Yeah, also, if you want to support me, you can buy it with the link in the description of this video. It would make me very happy and make my dream come true to make a living from this and buy my dream car. So yeah, I hope you guys like it as much as we do. And like I said, the weather is good. In the t-shirt, it's nice, very nice. I can hear a lot of wind noise from the left side back door because the window, the door gaskets aren't on that door, so I have to place new door window gaskets, or how I need to say it. I'm going to replace all gaskets for all doors, so yeah, then the wind noise is a lot less, and the wind noise is as they were in new condition almost, I think, because this all of the all of the door gaskets are in bad condition. There are some scratches, at some points it's sliced in parts, but
It's very dry.
It's very dry
because of the sun.
Yeah, I don't know if it's through the sun, or I think because of the heat, and it's getting bigger, and it's getting through the temperature. Temperature is getting making it.
Because this is also MSP, right?
Yeah. That's what you always see at the W123s, especially the blue and the black dashboards. They have the cracks in it, and you can't do anything about it. You can lay a stick of carpet on it, but I don't like that. I don't like the look of it, but yeah, if this is everything, it's okay. But with every year, it's getting bigger, the cracks, and yeah, that's bad. But it is how it is, and we can't do anything about it, I think. But yeah, it's still nice. It's still in a very good shape. So, yeah. This car still has the Christmas tree on it. It feels like summer right now.
You also got this one.
Yeah, I've got it from my stepfather.
Stepdad.
Beautiful car. Very nice.
The wheels
of it.
missing, but that's here.
Yeah.
Now it's not missing.
We live in the Netherlands, and here, yeah, it was not a very cold winter, but it was cold, and a few weeks ago.
Than last year.
Yeah, a few weeks ago it was snowing. It was nice, but sometimes I thought from, yeah, now I hope it's getting warmer. I hope that, but now it is warmer and we enjoy it. Let me know where are you from, and how is it there? How is it at the place where you live? Is it as beautiful as here right now, or I hope so. And if you have any questions about this car and about our lives, please let me know in the comments. Oh, I love it. The sun right next to this wall, this sand hill. There's in the Netherlands we call that dijks, a dijk. But next to this there's the sea, the lake.
Yeah, it's to protect
yeah, the dikes are
the land from the water.
Protect it, so it doesn't get flooded here. But yeah, there's the lake, and in summer you can swim, and it's very nice, very nice. We love to do that, and I grew up with boats.
Me too, a little bit, but you just with big boats.
Yeah,
and we just have a small boat.
My dad built.
We went sailing every year.
Yeah, that's nice. My dad built a boat by himself with his own hands. It's a beautiful handcrafted boat, and my dad is very talented with that kind of things. It's crazy. I can show you a picture of it. It's really beautiful. The color some people don't like the color, but it's very nice, I think. You often see that. It's a color that you don't see every day. As you can see, this is the. I don't know if you can see it. My dad built this boat by himself. It's very cool. It's yeah. I was a little kid when he built it, but here yeah, we travel with in the summer, and yeah, he has a big passion for boats, and I have a big passion for boats also. But since I have my driver's license, I have a big passion for old cars, and I can't afford a boat right now. So old cars will be my passion forever. So, but boats are also a big passion of me. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and buy your merch if you want to support me. I hope you like it, and until the next one, bye bye.